Thank you very much for attending KOFAS 2025 as our hosted buyer. We welcome you. Can you introduce your company for us, please?
Yes, my company is Felton Manufacturing Thailand. Our product company is automotive tier 1 manufacturing. It has the both interior and exterior. Our product, for example, is hood insulator, final assembly insulator, something like that.
Great, thank you. Then what is your main purpose for attending KOFAS 2025? And have you achieved that purpose during your time here?
Okay, this is my first time to visit Korea and in Changwon province. So it is good opportunity to see that how many products in Changwon or in Korea. So I found a lot of opportunity here. So mainly focus is I'm looking for the automation things. We found a lot of companies that can provide product automation. One is, for example, the conveyor. Other one maybe the vision, artificial intelligence.
Awesome, awesome. One last question for you. Which products are you looking for and which product stood out the most?
Okay, so I'm looking for the automation things. So I found the automation conveyor. This is a good one. So they have the customer in many sectors. So I think that is very interesting for me.